Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So once again, if you are joining me in this morning over here, first of all, just a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on today's discussion over here, make sure your own trading plan. If not, get advice from professional. All right. I think today is Wednesday. Okay. In my screener over here or my alerts over here, I actually don't have anything. Okay. Yeah, there are a few counters coming in, but all this actually didn't come with very good setups. Okay. I think the best is that ABMB still trading up, holding nicely on the 2040 moving average. But overall, current market situation, I think for me personally, I will avoid. Okay, I'm not sure about you. Okay, I think if you're enjoying me throughout this week, I've been talking about 1600 level. If let's say then back to this level, something that I'm actually not really interested to put my money back into the market. So very bearish right now, okay, especially for constructions. Do a big gap down, okay, this morning. Well, let's start with overall KLC. Will see the overall directions, okay. Then we'll see what we should do, okay. Now, for me, best right now is to keep cash. I think like last week I started sell already. I think we share also in the Facebook and Telegram as well. All right. So now, yesterday during our live Facebook, we said that okay, this is one of the crucial level 1560, which I think yesterday they already break already, and now looks like they're heading to the next one. Okay, this is 1-3 something. 1-3. I think it's 1-3-1-5-3-5. Okay, level. Okay, so this is the next level. Probably it might test it for the overall KRSC market. Okay, so well, no reversal patterns here. I thought probably after a selling for almost 2 weeks already, the market will have some technical rebound, but it didn't. It didn't have any a short-term recovery as well. Okay, so pretty bad because a lot of people are expecting at least a 1 or 2 day of recovery, but it didn't happen. Okay, I think some members also shared me they need to cut loss. Okay, because they entered in the deep. All right. So yeah, this is something that usually I will try my best to avoid. Okay, even though yes, the technical rebound might happen anytime soon, but usually I like to follow the trend. Okay, so if let's say there's no trend, I don't want to force myself. Oh wow, haha. Today everything red. Okay, so looks like Bursa is celebrating CNY earlier. Okay, so actually I got nothing much today. Okay, unless you got something for me. Okay, you just probably let me know. Okay, probably will take a look into some of your counters. Okay, if not, like I say, help me to share this out. Please help me to give the like buttons. Okay, today I know mostly won't really come and listen because markets like that. Okay, no point to do a review as well. So okay, now constructions are so gap down. Okay, gap down is a sign of very bad sign actually. It's a very bad sign. Okay, so again yesterday, like I said, okay, whenever the stock actually break below 2040s with increasing volume, you can see the changes in terms of the candlestick patterns. Right, you need to be careful. Okay, so the chart here got some volume. Now this is something that the other day we talked about. Whenever the price goes up, high volume, then you need to sometimes you need to be careful of maybe the some of the change of trends coming. Okay, I think probably likely is a distribution is might happening into this area already. Okay, so there's constructions overall, and then any stocks you want me to look into. Okay, I think if not, I just go through the 4 counters that I told about yesterday. Something that I personally am watching. Okay, so first XIFU, I think XIFU Jalan already yesterday. Okay, make a nice pullback actually yesterday. So, but unfortunately, I still know that to enter. Okay, for XIFU. Okay, today do a little bit of pullback. I think it's nice overall. So EMCC, EMC is still holding well. Okay, so far okay. Again, good counters to continue to watch. Okay, during the market recovery. So I want tech. Okay, I want tech also. Still holding very nicely. Okay, actually I'm looking around 335, but like I said, definitely not now. Definitely not now. Probably later on, but it's good to keep into your watch list first. The other one is Kuskapi. So all these actually counter, they are still holding very, very well. Okay, even though market is pretty bearish right now. Okay, so this is the few counters that I'll going to watch out. But unfortunately, XIFU Jalan a bit. Today do a little pullback. Hopefully, you can do retest around the support area. Okay, so for those who are still got holding some stocks against use this pullback or strength signal here to help you to monitor the support level. So whenever it break, you have to really watch out. Okay, you don't want to being caught into this so-called downtrend. Okay, so some of the big stocks that actually drop. Okay, all this DC team. I know a lot of people still in the trades. Okay, so sometimes, like for example here actually got lots of strength signal. You can notice here got one. Even here also got one already. Okay, so here we got like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me draw for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so here actually is like a area of a good support area. So whenever you know here got like lots of strength signal forming, you know this is the area of they got plenty of support. Okay, so if really you don't want to cut after it break below this two strength signal, it's okay. This will be your final line of defense. Okay, so let's say it really break, you know it's going to be a huge selling coming in already. Okay, so at least use this so-called strength signal to help you to protect yourself. I personally do that. Okay, I personally do that. So that's why, you know, like Kobe, GSM, ECA. Kobe has to make a bit money. Okay, but ECA, GSM, I make losses, but it's only within like 6% losses. So I still can afford that. Okay, let's say like those counter 30-40% down one, I think I'll be in the deep shit as well. So okay, like for example here, Kobe, right? Here is the latest strength signal. So once they cut through here already, you know something is not right already. You need to be careful on that. Okay. So previously also we trade ECA, but unfortunately 1 or 2 days later they just drop. Okay. So I think I also update to the member group as well, the Telegram group as well. I also chop already this one. So here we got strength. Okay, here of course a bit high. So this is my again a good area. Once it dropped, also I just exit. Okay, so right now if you're in the trade, just focus on your stop loss. So again, you can use this strength signal here to help you to focus a little bit. Okay, so here also this is JSM. I thought here would be a nice one, but unfortunately it didn't drop. Okay, then I have to exit. Okay, but sometimes okay exit with 6% is better than holding until now. Okay, so at least I can keep cash. Then we look for the next one. Hey CJ, K Energy hammer with high or low volume. Which one is better? Okay, let's try K Energy. I didn't really follow this counters. Okay, but let's try. Oh, okay. This one it is still okay. It didn't really drop badly. Okay, and today it's still holding well. Now normally in this kind of so-called weak market, right? Okay, there's two things I will look into lah. So this is to CJ because I think he texted me this yesterday and this morning. Okay, during bearish market, when the stock all the stock drop, right now what's happening right now, right? You want to monitor hammer, okay? But when I say monitor hammer, it's not only one stock only, but you want to monitor for overall stocks, overall market, okay? If let's say only like for example, Bursa got like 1,000 stocks, right? Okay, it's only like got 5% of the stock got hammer. I think that one is okay because that one is not a sign of recovery for the older Bursa market. Maybe yes, the particular stock itself, yes, like the XIFU, I think yes. Okay, they are holding well nicely. But what I monitor is that I want to see at least more than 15 to 20% of stocks, which is now around like 100, 200 counters having hammer. So whenever markets lots of hammer, in this kind of weak or bear market, you know that okay, maybe it almost reached the bottom already. But if let's say only few got hammer, it won't really change the market direction most of the time. Okay, but of course the stock itself you have to study carefully. So that's why counters like Suncom Marsing, even though right now they got hammer, but the rest of the market don't have hammer, I still think that it's a bit risky to enter. Okay, so normally this is something that I watch out. Like if let's say during bear market like this, right, drop heavily, you want to see lots of counters got hammer because this is a good time for so-called the operator to do a shakeout or do a wash for in the market. So once they're ready, they will buy back, and you will see lots of hammer, plenty of hammer. Okay, but so far these few days, got hammer on and off like Pekat you share with me, but still I feel that not a lot. Okay, so definitely I think not the recovery still probably is not there yet. Okay, so let's go back to K Energy. At least K Energy, it didn't really make a big sell off, and today, so far looks like it's still holding somewhere around this zone. Okay, of course, closing above here is still good. Okay, now the other thing is that usually for hammer, okay, especially during this kind of sell-off, I don't really buy immediately of the hammer. Okay, during pullback, yes, healthy pullback, yes, that one option, okay. But this kind of market, right, because sometimes hammer can be filled, okay, maybe due to few reasons. Because during weak market, when hammer form, because of last minute closing, right, simply because the supply is lesser than demand. So the market push back a bit and become a hammer. Okay, so the next day probably might continue to sell again. So in this case over here, normally I would say, okay, at least it hold well for a few days, then okay, I feel more comfortable to for entry. But so far, keep I think okay. Of course, if can, you wait for next few days. Today is Friday already, so maybe next week, CJ. All right. So any other good hammer one? Okay, I think let's try Pekat lah, since you mentioned Pekat yesterday and this morning also. So okay, now Pekat, okay, yes, gap down. Something that, okay, now this one, I don't really want to look into it. Okay, now this is a bit similar like previously I explained about shooting star. Okay, if let's say shooting star, the subsequent candle hold well, okay, chances for them to go up is high. So same like hammer. Okay, hammer, if let's say trade below, right, after it form hammer, right, chances for them to go down is very high also. Okay, so the next day also very crucial, especially in this kind of market. Okay, so unfortunately, nothing much for today. If you got any question, I'm happy to answer. A few more questions if you have. If not, probably we just end our section. So SCT, let's try these few counters over here. SCT, okay. 99 peak mark. Oops. Okay, this hammer also, double hold already. Okay, but okay, drop below volume, maybe we've got shakeout coming. Okay, welcome CJ. Okay, so yeah, this one maybe will form a shakeout. Okay, because drop below volume, but definitely not now. Any others? I cannot think of other things. Really, markets not that great. So again, if you feel not comfortable, just stay away first. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning section over here. Unfortunately, we have to do a quick one. Nothing much in the market. Now, if you think you like my daily review, okay, help me to share this out, please. Help me to at least help me to click the like buttons, okay, and then I'll see you again next week.